Hi! In front of me is Huawei Nova 9SE, and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of this smartphone. First of all, go into settings. Now you need to scroll down and choose, no, not that far, and choose home screen and wallpaper. Then click on themes over here and tap on the best one for you. I will go with Moonstone. Then select apply and wait. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, theme of my device has changed. But if you wish to go back into the default one, you can always do that by choosing settings, clicking home screen and wallpaper over here and tapping on themes. This time though, select blue glaze and tap on apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!